Well, hello my crafty friends and welcome back to my channel, True Whimsy. I wanted to let you know things are going to be changing a little bit. Okay, actually a lot. So if you've been around my channel for any length of time, you know that originally I started out, I was the Budget Equestrian. And then I changed over to Lisa Goodwin DIY. And then I changed yet one more time to True Whimsy. And the main reason for me changing the name of my channel without actually getting a new channel was because I didn't want to lose all of the subscribers that I already had. Well, I don't think this is really doing me any favors, so I have decided that it is time to say goodbye to this channel as the Budget Equestrian, True Whimsy, whatever you want to call it, and start something brand new. So I decided, since you know what, I love DIYs and I am kind of a DIY diva, my channel is going to be called the DIY Diva. And I already have the channel, it's already up, ready to go. So all of my videos that I typically post here on True Whimsy are now going to be on DIY Diva. So if you could do me a huge favor, go on over to DIY Diva and there is a link down below in the description box. It will take you there. Go on over there and subscribe to that channel because all of my content is now going to be on the DIY Diva channel. So please, if you have a moment, if you could check down in the description box down below, click on that link to DIY Diva on YouTube and subscribe to my new channel. Like I said, that is where all of my new videos are going to be going. And I would really love your continued support over there. And this way you'll still be alerted when I have new videos coming out. And yes, it's still me, Lisa. It's just going to be on a brand new channel. I think it's time to make that switch. I think it's time to have this happen. And I can't wait to see what happens with the new channels. So go on over to DIY Diva, subscribe, tell your friends, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video.